Hey my friends, hope you're doing great. There are many lovely candidates who will compete at the Miss Universe Philippines. I wish for them all so well. For today's video, I'll share third batch of candidates. In random order, let's start with Miss Universe Philippines, Davao City, Chesa Bendigo. 26-year-old, a licensed professional teacher. She's stunning, Filipina beauty, all out. She is not of mixed descent. However, I'd like her to give us more updates in her preparation for the upcoming Miss Universe competition. And I've also observed that she has no Instagram account. But if she has her Instagram, please let me know. Next is Nueva Ecija, Michelle Borchel. She's pretty lovely. Her body is breathtaking, flawless, awesome. I feel she is of mixed descent. And I can't move on in her body because she got those perfect shapes. She walks very well. She is foolish, elegant, sophisticated. And what's more, if this queen is well dressed, and also she will give us the nice shot for the competition. Next on our list, my friends, is Togigaraw Janica Aquino. She is super beautiful. I feel she is also of a mixed blood because she got those Roman nose. She is pretty. We can't deny it. And I prefer her to see her in a light makeup because she's so stunning. In a heavy makeup though, she is so good too, but less is more in regards to her beauty. That's what I felt. Next up is Southern Leyte, Renny Patuan. Her smile is a trademark, and I feel she's a high caliber candidate for the Miss Universe Philippines, a dark horse, and she is like an aura of Miss Chinese Palacios Miss Universe 2023. I just feel it. She's mesmerizing. She got those commanding presence. And there's a news that she's a graduate of Magna Cum Laude. That's great. Next up, my friends, is Cebu Province Nicole Borromeo. Well, we already knew her pageant journey. She started Binibining Pilipinas International winner 2022 and also third runner-up at the Miss International 2023. Well, I wish her that she also will have a good placement at the Miss Universe Philippines, securing at the top 5 position. But as the winner, well, I didn't know yet. Let's find out the other candidates. Next, my friends, we've got Cebu City, April Smith, appointed Miss Universe Philippines Cebu City. She competed already at the Miss Universe Philippines 2020 and finished at the top 16, and this is her comeback. I wish her all the best and also a higher placement from the first competition. I wish her for her success at the top 10 at least. But aside from that, she's a high caliber candidate. She got those beauty, Black, American, Filipina. She can speak very well, and also a Filipino in heart. Next on our list is Cavite, Jensen Kanya. Well, this woman is just a pure Filipina beauty. She got me all out, and I feel she's the one to beat at the Luzon provinces because I feel her that she's great. She got those very great body. She got those proportions, the curves, and also she practiced Pilates, yoga, strength training. And I just wish her she can communicate very well, especially in the Q&A portion, and also in delivering in her advocacies. The last one, we've got Muntinlupa, Adela Mae Marshall. She's pretty, chic, She's a model. She competed at the Asia's Next Top Model, finished as first place. She stands 5'8" tall. She got those nice smile, a social media darling, great body. I wish her that she can prepare herself for the beauty pageant competition, and as well as her experiences in modeling will help her advancing into the higher spots. So that's it, my friends. Thank you so much for watching in this video. God bless to all of you. Take care.